that Wang Lihuan for us in Shanghai. Over in Hong Kong, stocks extended gains to a fresh 21-month high. Now, strong performances of other Asian markets lifted investor sentiment, and signs of money continuing to flow in from the Chinese mainland also gave the market a boost. The Hang Seng finished up around 0.4%, while the Hang Seng China Enterprise Index is up about 0.25%. Now, for more trading details, Diane Toh joins us live in Hong Kong. So, Diane, the market in Hong Kong is trading strong today. What's the latest?
That's right. Stocks are up here for the fourth day in a row. And like you say, its gains extending to a fresh 21-month high. That's after an overnight rally in U.S. equity markets, thanks to a bump in oil prices, with sentiment lifted by strength in other Asian markets and signs, like you say, that money is continuing to flow in from mainland China. Consumer non-cyclicals and, as expected, energy stocks are trading strong today, with China Resources Power up 2.8% and CNOOC up 1.7%. Now, equities aside, Hong Kong Exchange CEO Charles Lee also said today the bourse's upcoming commodity platform in mainland China would eventually offer trading in futures contracts, although the strategy is to first develop the physical market. Lee made this comment on a visit to the site of the upcoming platform in Tianhai, where it hopes to replicate the LME's success. It still remains unclear, though, when the platform will start operating.
And one of Apple's component suppliers has been accused of accounting problems. So what's happening there?
That's right. AAC Technologies, which is an acoustic component supplier for Apple, plunged as much as 14% today after research firm Gotham City accused it of dubious accounting practices. Now, Gotham City Research, which has a short sell position on AAC stock, said the Shenzhen-based company used those accounting methods to overstate its profits since 2014. Gotham City said its report was based on publicly available information and field research. Now, AAC has denied the allegations in the report and has said the information is inaccurate and misleading. Shares of the company, which makes miniaturized acoustic components including speaker boxes, speakers, receivers and microphones, fell to as low as 96 Hong Kong dollars, while the broader benchmark Hang Seng Index was flat. The company in March reported a net profit of 4.03 billion yuan in 2016, up 29.6% from the previous year.
And overall, tech stocks have been performing well, but Lenovo seems to be struggling. What do we have for us?
Yeah, tech stocks have been doing really well in the markets, but Lenovo Group has been on a pretty steady decline since April. Now, this is not surprising given the news that worldwide PC shipments have been dropping for 10 consecutive quarters, according to preliminary results by Gartner Inc. Shipments saw a 2.4% decline in Q1 of 2017 year-on-year, totaling at 62.2 million units. That, in fact, marks the first time since 2007, that the PC market experienced shipments below 63 million units in a quarter. Lenovo and HP are in a virtual tie for the top spot, with Lenovo and HP both accounting for just about 20% of worldwide PC shipments. But on a brighter note, Lenovo did just receive the world's first ultra-low noise certificate for its desktop and all-in-one computers this morning from TUV Rhineland Group. The group's VP, Jay Yang, hailed Lenovo's achievement as a great accomplishment brought about by strong cooperation in the frontier of innovation.
Good for them. Thanks very much for the update, Diane Toh, for us in Hong Kong.